There's loads of things that contribute to UK culture and society. Why have only historical figures featured on the back of banknotes and not things like sport?
Harry Maguire!
Bank of England redesigned banknotes refers to a wave of digitally altered content that emerged following the announcement that the Bank of England plans to redesign its currency, inviting public participation. The current British banknotes feature historical figures such as Winston Churchill and Jane Austen, but the upcoming redesign is expected to reflect broader themes like innovation and major historical events.
Who would you like to see on the next Bank of England notes?
It's William, yes. Well, because he's very handsome.
Napoleon, and who is very decisive and has good leadership.
The announcement, which was shared by the BBC, quickly gained traction after being posted on Twitter, prompting users to share their creative interpretations of what the new banknotes could look like. Users shared a photoshopped £20 note featuring British dart player Stephen Bunting. Other widely circulated designs included Big John with his catchphrase Bosh. These visual reinterpretations demonstrate how internet users engage with official initiatives through cultural commentary. In each case, online communities react to official announcements by using well-known pop culture references,
Harry Maguire!
making the topic more relatable and starting conversations among the public. The redesigned banknotes are unlikely to cause any direct or immediate changes to England's economy, but they can have symbolic and practical effects. Introducing new designs can boost public interest and national identity, especially if they reflect modern values like innovation or diversity. Updated notes often include improved security features, which help reduce counterfeiting and maintain trust in the currency. While the economic impact is subtle, maintaining confidence in the currency is a key factor in long-term financial stability. The Bank of England's request for public ideas about its new banknote design sparked a big reaction online. People began creating and sharing their own versions of banknotes using modern-day internet figures and memes.
Harry Maguire!
So who do you think the Bank of England will choose to feature on the redesigned banknotes? Let us know in the comments down below.